What's up guys, this is Ironic Ava here, and today I am going to show how you can hack this game. It's very simple. Just you need to do is first like this video and follow all the steps carefully. Before starting the video I want to tell you that there is only few amounts of chances you get banned, but if you get banned I will be not responsible. But there are some chances your game will crash, so without any further delay let's get started. As you can see I am on my PC right now. You need to first download the script and extract it, link in the description. After extraction you will see a setup named Cheat Engine. First install that and follow the steps. After that you need a bypass code, you can copy it from the description. After copying the code you need to go to the Pubg Lite directory and select this icon. Select properties and paste there with a space. You can see I am doing that. Don't open the script now. After that go to the game directory and select the launcher and open it. When the launcher is successfully opened, don't open that from here. You need to open that from the icon which is in the desktop. Before running the script, join the training mod. When you are on training, go and open the script. On the search icon select the game. After that go to the table tab and select this icon. Here you can see all the controls of the hacks. To activate it select execute script. Now you have successfully started your hack script. Now enjoy the gameplay.
Take my hand, come on, name, you understand, I wanna stay. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Cause I don't wanna walk away. Yeah, I'm stuck in your space. Even though you told me to get back your heart, still spinning inside your orbit. I should probably start to walk away. I'm hoping that you still make me have to stay, cause I'm floating in your orbit. Take my hand, call my name. You understand, I wanna stay. 'Cause I don't